Hello, problem solvers. Welcome back. We're going to continue with Chapter 10, looking at physical representations today. So let's take a look at an example problem here about a volleyball team. So the volleyball team has 6 players. Their names are Beth, Molly, Kimmy, Wade, George, and Sam. Using the following clues, put the players into the starting positions that will give the best rotation. So here are some rules. The players must alternate by gender. Beth is the team's best server, so she should start in the serving position. George and Kimmy are the team's setters, so they must be opposite each other at all times. Wade and Molly communicate well. It helps to put them next to each other. And number 5, Sam is an effective server, so he should be positioned so that he will rotate into the serving position quickly. Now, hopefully, you got some questions here, unless you know a lot of volleyball terms. I knew I was wondering a lot of things. And so some things to know about volleyball. The players are arranged on the court in 6 positions. So if, this is our half of the court, the net's in the middle. Position 1 is right here, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Position 1 is the server, okay? And there are 2 rows, okay? So there's the front row and the back row. So 2, 3, and 4 in the front, 5, 6, and 1 are in the back. The server, as I said, is in the bottom right here in position 1, and the rotation works this way. You can see these green arrows. So the person right here, when they rotate, moves to here, and then after this position, you move back to the server position, and so on. So the rotation goes this way. What does it mean to be opposite? So positions that are opposite each other would be positions 3 and 6 are opposite, 5 and 2 are opposite, and 1 and 4 are opposite. And you can see when they rotate, they maintain that opposite position, so that one will always be in the front, one's always in the back. So, with all that information, here's how I might set this up. I'd probably get out a piece of paper and draw a diagram here with the net and my positions labeled. And then I would label maybe some pieces of paper with the names of the players, and then I can actually move them around. So I would do something like this, and I would say, okay, the Beth is the team's best server, so I'm going to put Beth right there. George and Kimmy are the setters. They should be opposite each other. So like maybe if George is there, Kimmy's there, because 2 and 5 are opposites. Or I could put them in 1 and 4, but you can see, nope, can't do that because I already have 1. So it's either going to be 3 and 6 or 2 and 5. And they might be switched as well. I guess I don't really know which way I need to have it right now. And then Wade and Molly communicate well, so it helps to put them next to each other. Well, you can see 6, I don't have any open spots next to 6, so maybe I'll put Wade and Molly in these 2 because they're next to each other. Sam is an effective server. He should rotate in soon, and if I put him there, he will move this way and not serve for a long time. So this arrangement that I just kind of came up with here on the fly didn't really go very well. So maybe I'm gonna say, okay, let's take those off and let's put Sam here so he'll actually be up next. Okay. And then let's see. I need opposites, so I can't do 2 and 5 or 1 and 4, so I guess my opposites here will be 3 and 6. But Beth and Kimmy are the same gender, so maybe I can do this so that I alternate genders, and then Beth and George are different genders, Sam and Kimmy are different genders, and then these 2 are next to each other, and then I just have to make sure I put Molly... Wade goes there and Molly goes there, I think. Let's see. So it goes Beth, then George, that's a different gender, then Molly, that's a different gender, then Wade is an alternate gender, then Kimmy, then Sam. Perfect. So I think I've met all those conditions doing it this way. And then for my write-up, I would describe what I did. I would describe that I tried an arrangement but had to move. Sam didn't end up in the right place, so I moved them around until I got something that worked with all of the clues. So, for your homework, you got a few problems here. you can see there is a question about the volleyball. So I did want to go over a lot of those terms because you'll see those again in that homework. But give that a try, see how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Cody out.